play the best team sport, and that's baseball. A special thanks to my previous coaches. Jay Klein, as you just mentioned, was there for 50-some years also, and Gordy Gillespie, who just retired with the most wins in college baseball. To my teammates, represented today by Nick Kolinick, who still holds one of the records in pitching at Notre Dame, and again, thanks to the recognition that all of you have given to us who are here today who love baseball. And because you love baseball, I'm going to ask you to do one thing. Join me in thanking the International Little League Baseball Program. It sponsors a program called the Challenger Little League Program. It's for special needs kids. And if you love baseball, you need to go to a game and see the smile on the faces of those kids. When they put on their hat, they put on their uniform top, they get in their wheelchairs, they get on their braces, they get on their walkers, they get on their canes, they get on their walking sticks, and they go out with a buddy who'll go with them to the position in the field and they play. They only play 2 innings, but everybody bats and everybody gets on base whether they hit the ball or not. So to them, and to Little League, and to all of you who love baseball, continue to support the great sport of baseball. And remember Notre Dame, she never forgets you. Regis, thank you. God bless.
Folks, thank you very much. That concludes the festivities. So just before, I know these guys have to work, can we just get one group picture with